Thank you.
Okay, Nikita, over to you.
Yeah, definitely. This is the first time ever we see such amazing lineup and artists on stage, and it was.
आगे बढ़े? हाँ? Set? Could I please ask you to settle down and make yourselves comfortable? It's fair to say that no party in the country is complete without any of their music. Together, put your hands together for the famous Indian playback singer who is known for her music in many different languages and never fails to capture the hearts of her audiences, Nikita Gandhi. Oh, now one segment, you in the middle. Could we, yeah, yeah. Please give a huge round of applause and join me in welcoming music director, producer, lyricist, singer, composer who's had the youth of India hooked to songs like Kafirana, Lakire, Shock, and the album from the film Kala, among others. Amit Trivedi. We also have with us a singer whose voice strikes a chord with the youth in more ways than one. He's lent his voice to some beautiful tracks such as Sun Mahi, You, De Tali, Pehla Pyar, among others. Please welcome on stage Armaan Malik. Next up, we have the nation's heartthrob, the voice that brings alive every party in the country. His music needs no introduction. Please give it up for Badshah. Okay, we will now like to invite on stage Santanam Srinivasan Iyer, better known as EPR, who brought reggae and Hindi rap together. Let's welcome on stage EPR! Okay, please join me in welcoming Indian rapper, singer, lyricist, and composer Dino James, who is inspired by his experiences and brings a realistic approach to rap music. Dino James, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, while we wait for Dino, famous for his lyrical abilities, we also have amongst us rapper, songwriter, composer Bali, who ushers in a new era for Desi hip hop with a sarcastic and comedic approach. Let's welcome Bali on stage. We also have rapper and actor Chaitanya Sharma, aka Slow Cheetah with us, who is known for his roles in films like Gully Boy, Brahmastra, and will be featuring in the upcoming film Maidan. A huge round of applause for Slow Cheetah. And here's Dino. Yes, absolutely. Dino, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to get a quick picture together. Yeah. One quick picture. Okay, let's hear a huge round of applause. That's a sample of what you're going to hear in the months to come. Like I said, we'll be releasing this soon. Please note that this bears the Royal Stag Boombox copyright and it'll be released officially soon. Now let's start talking, right? Who's excited to see? Quite simply, a true blue youth carnival that cannot be missed. So what we're going to do right now is, we've got 8 of our headliners with us today. Of course, the immersive experience will feature some of the biggest names in music, including, of course, Badshah, Armaan Malik, Amit Trivedi, Slow Cheetah, Nikita Gandhi, Bali, EPR, Neeti Mohan, Jasleen. Yes, and maintain some silence as we go into this. Okay, so what is Royal Stag Boombox about? The cultural movement will manifest itself into two unique, engaging formats. One is an in-studio format, a digital music concept featuring 4 original melody meets hip-hop music tracks that will be released as singles and videos across platforms. This is where Royal Stag Boombox creates the original sound of the festival. The second